Oh, no, 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 no. Now, this is how you can achieve this type of video. Click on CapCut. Click on new video. Now, click on the video you want to edit. Click on this add to bring into editing place. So, look at the video here. Just mount a camera. Walk into the scene. Just lie down. Please, if you want to make this type of video, make sure you keep your camera one place. Nobody should hold it for you, so that the video will not be checking. So just lie down and hands your hand up. Then anyhow long you want to do it. Then after, you turn the other side. You turn upside down. Then anyhow long you want to do it. So this video is too long, but I don't want it to be too long. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to stop it here. I'm going to stop this one here. Then I'll delete the remaining one. So what I'll do, I'll click on it. Then click on split. So it's too long. Let me delete some parts. Then delete the one by the light. So I want it to end here. So I'll delete this CapCut logo. So I want it to end here. Then I'll move front. At this point, I want the video to start here. Here. So what I'll do, I'll click on this split to split it. Then click on the left side I want to delete. Then click on delete. And the video will start here. Then I'll go to the other side. The other side of the video where I was right now, hit this side. So I want this one to start here. Then what I will do now, I will click on split. Then I will bring this part, I will bring it down as overlay. So I'll shift these two slaves, look for overlay, click on overlay. Then the video has stepped down. What I will do now, this particular one now that stepped down, I will drag it left. It's going to be under the one up. Now at this point, I'm going to delete the remaining part of this one up, because both clips are going to be in the same line. So I'm going to delete this one up. I'll click on it, then click on split, then click on the light side I want to delete, then click on delete to delete it. So this one is deleted. Now look at what you are going to do. You are going to click on the one down, then shift these two left, look for mask, click on mask. Make sure while applying this mask, make sure your data is on. Then click on horizontal. Make sure your data is on. Whenever you want to apply mask, click on horizontal. Now what you're going to do now, use the two fingers. Turn this horizontal line like this, then bring it down like this. Bring it, make sure you do not cut your leg. Position it very well. Then what you're going to do now, after this, on this circle, on this white circle, this one, we are going to drag it up small, just small, to feather it. Drag it up small, little bit, yes. Then after this, you come down here, click on this good sign to justify it. So look at it. So let's see it. So have you seen it? Have you seen? So this is how you can achieve this type of video. After this, you go ahead, come up here and export your video.